Now here the question is, let E1 and E2 be two ellipses whose centers are at origin. The major axes of E1 and E2 lie along the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Let S be the circle x square plus y minus 1 whole square equals 2, and the straight line x plus y equals to 3. It touches the curves S, E1 and E2 at P, Q and R respectively. Now it says, suppose PQ equals PR equals 2 root 2 upon 3, and if E1 and E2 are eccentricities of ellipse E1 and E2 respectively, then which of the following options are correct? So we are given two ellipses, E1 and E2. One of them have x-axis as the major axis and the other one has y-axis as the major axis. Now there will be this common tangent, and then we have a circle whose center is at 0, 1, which also touches this given line. Equation of this line is x plus y equals to 3, and this line, it touches this circle at P, E1 at Q and E2 at this point R, and this PQ and PR is 2 root 2 upon 3. Now what we'll do is, since we have center of this circle which is 0, 1, we'll find coordinate of P, and we know that coordinate of P is nothing but it is foot of perpendicular from 0, 1 on this tangent which is x plus y equals to 3. So let this point be alpha comma beta, then we can write alpha minus 0 upon 1, beta minus 1 upon 1, and then minus 0 plus 1 minus 3 upon 2. So we'll get alpha upon 1, beta minus 1, and this value will be equal to 1. So value of alpha is 1 and value of beta is 2. So coordinate of this point P, it will be 1, 2. So we have coordinate of P now. Now we'll find slope of this line. Slope of this line will be 2 minus 1, 1 upon 1. So it is 1. So that means this angle is 45 degrees. So if this angle is 45 degrees, then this angle is 135 degrees. So what we'll do is, we'll write equation of this line PQR in terms of distance R from this point P. So equation of this line will be x minus 1 upon cos 3 pi by 4, it is equal to y minus 2 upon sin 3 pi by 4, and this value, it is equal to R. Now we need to find the value of Q and R. Both are at a distance of 2 root 2 upon 3 units. So that means value of R is plus or minus 2 root 2 upon 3. So we can write this equation as x minus 1 upon minus 1 by root 2, y minus 2 upon 1 by root 2, and this is equal to 2 root 2 upon 3. Now we'll take plus sign, then we'll get x minus 1 equals minus 2 by 3 and y minus 2 is equal to plus 2 by 3. So this point will be 1 by 3 and 8 by 3. Now we'll take minus sign, then we'll get x minus 1 as 2 by 3 and y minus 2 as minus 2 by 3. In that case, value of x will be 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. So now we have all the three coordinates P, Q and R. So this point R, it will be 1 by 3, 8 by 3, and this point Q, it will be 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. Now let us find A and B for this ellipse E1. Let the equation of E1 be x square upon A square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now this point, it lies on this ellipse. So if at this point we draw tangent, then its equation is given by t equals 0. So we can write this equation as 5x upon 3a square plus 4y upon 3b square, and it is equal to 1. And we can also write this as x upon 3a square by 5 plus y upon 3b square upon 4 is equal to 1. And the question, it is already given that equation of tangent is x plus y is equal to 3, which we can also write as x upon 3 plus y upon 3 equals to 1. So we'll compare, we'll get a square is 5 and b square is 4. Once we have a and b, we can find its eccentricity. So b square is a square and 1 minus even square. So we'll get 5 even square equals 1. So value of even square will be simply 1 by 5. In the same way, for this second ellipse E2, point of contact is 1 by 3, 8 by 3. Equation of tangent will be given by 1 by 3x upon a square plus 8 by 3y upon b square equals to 1. So here intercepts are 3a square, which is equal to 3, and then 3b square upon 8, and it is also equal to 3. So here a square is 1 and b square is 8. So basically in this case a and b, they should be interchanged as it is an ellipse of the second form. So considering this as b and this as a, we can write b square equals a square 1 minus e square. So we get 8e square equals 7. So value of e2 square is simply 7 by 8. So we have even square as 1 by 5 and e2 square as 7 by 8. So we'll write even square as 1 by 5 and e2 square as 7 by 8. Now what is even square plus e2 square? It will be 1 by 5 plus 7 by 8, so it will be 40, and then 8 plus 35. 35 plus 8 is 43. So that means option A is correct. Now what about even into E2? It will be under root 7 upon root 40. Root 40 will be 2 root 10. So that means option B is also correct. Option D is obviously then incorrect. And what about even square minus E2 square? So it will be 1 by 5 minus 7 by 8. So it should be 35 minus 8. So it should be 27 by 40 and not 5 by 8. So that means option C and D, they are incorrect. The correct options are option A and option B.